Guys, we got Ronaldo.
We got Ronaldo.
We were just filming, but then
the video deleted.
Got deleted by itself. But we got Ronaldo. We got Ronaldo.
We got Ronaldo. I'm so keeping this pack.
Oh my god! If you discard that, you're the worst. Oh my god, we got Ronaldo.
I'm just gonna name it R.
CR7.
Yes, CR7. What the hell is
Oh
7?
my gosh, we got Ronaldo. 99 rated.
That must have been so hard to get. Like, we've been hoping for that for a very long time.
No, like, look, so many sucky packs were coming out. Then finally, suddenly,
He came. He's like, yeah.
yeah.
Come on. Yes.
Oh wait, Lewandowski. Oh wait,
Oh, we already got him.
We don't care. We already got him. Okay. We already got him.
I call him Lewandowski.
By the way, he's not called Levin. He's called Lewandowski. Lewandowski.
A lot of people call it Lewandowski.
No, they don't.
I mean, why does Emma call it Lewandowski and me?
Because you're stupid.
How do you skip this video? I don't want to listen to an Arabic dude talking. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Wait, I just realized. Regani. Nope. Don't want any of these dudes.
Okay. Oh, Di Maria, he's good. He's
I
good,
won't keep him.
But we don't need him. Don't keep him.
Yeah, because he'll be blocked.
You can change your tactic, by the way.
I know.
And Ronaldo will be blocked as well.
I know.
And if you changed your tactic till Ronaldo does not get blocked, then Di Maria won't be blocked.
Mino! Oh, seriously!
Lewandowski again?
Lewandowski. Oh! Oh no, that's just an informed card.
How many Lewandowskis are we getting? We got 3.
Lewandowskis. How many Lewandowskis?
Royce. Keep him. He's not.
No, I don't want Royce.
If
I don't
he
want
was in my team, I would have kept him because I have a really bad left mid.
No, he's left mid, not left
I know
wind.
he is.
You said left wind.
No, I said left mid.
Seriously? I can't. I can't skip the video.
Oh, that was.
They're so mean.
No, that girl is mean.
Cavani, come on. I don't want you, Cavani.
By the way, we've always got Cavani.
Yeah. Remember team. Come on.
Oh, Iago Apas.
No, we don't need him because we got a better striker.
But I still can't believe we. Oh!
Keeping this. I'm so keeping this.
You got a legend. We first thought, okay, we don't need him. Then, oh! But I still can't believe we've got one.
Ronaldo. Okay,
Wait,
I'm gonna
check the time. Check the time so we can. No, I mean the time of the vid.
Oh yeah, let me see. We still got a lot of time.
Yeah.
I wonder if this video is still recording. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna name this
Most pack opening videos are for 7 minutes, so when it's 7 minutes, I guess you should.
Team C Legend Y, which means Team of the Season and Legend and Team of the Year. Wait, oops. TY.
By the way, team of the season is TOTS.
Oh, oops. Oh, who cares? I'm gonna name it O.
No, don't. Look.
Oh.
Oh, dude, you're about to discard it.
I'm gonna name it Go. I'm gonna name it Go.
Backspace.
Okay, let's go. We'll go where? Let's go.
Oh, keep
Aubameyang.
Keep
No, remember we already got so many strikers.
Oh yeah, we've got Suarez, Ronaldo. That's awesome. Oh, we've got this toast guy.
Oh yeah. We're looking into soccer. Pepe. No.
Pepe. He's
no.
good, but we don't need him.
Blind. Come on.
And we go.
Come on.
We got the regular Messi there.
Regular Messi or regular.
Or regular Neymar. If we got the regular Neymar, we won't care.
Oh.
He's good.
Hey, we were talking. We wanted Neymar and Brazil, the international team. Oh, good. Hope I'm gonna fall. Oh, good. You know, our friend. This dude is not rare at all. You know, one of our friends. One of my friend. My friend. Judges people by seeing their number. He's like this. Whenever he sees a 7 on someone else's number, he's like, "Oh, he thinks he's Ronaldo."
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
That's
Neuer.
That's Jack Paints, by the way. We've got
Neuer.
Neuer.
I think I've already got Neuer, but I'm gonna
No,
keep it.
we
Yeah.
we have taken the gold version. This is a better version, by the way. I think we should end the video now because we don't want to wait too long. Wait, say bye.
Bye.